The Philippines in the 1940s. Life after the war. Part 4. Philippine Scouts and a U.S. soldier at the Ordnance Service Center School. Manila, 1947. A Kalesa waiting for a customer. Manila, 1945. The Engine Rebuild Shop at the Ordnance Service Center. Manila, 1947. The Quartermaster's Sales Store. Manila, 1946. .37mm anti-tank guns which are to be dumped into the North Harbor. Manila, 1946. U.S.-Philippine War Damage Commission project at the foot of Quezon Bridge. Manila, 1947. Manuel Roxas, inaugurated as president in 1946. The wards of the 10th General Hospital, Philippine Base Command, 1947. Street scene in front of Tivoli Movie Theater in Manila, 1940s. The wash rack at Transportation Corporation General Depot Motor Pool, Manila, 1946. Surplus property is piled on the dock, Manila, 1946. Vice President Elpidio Quirino pays final respect to the late President Manuel Roxas, 1948. The Army Post Exchange Building of the Fort McKinley, Manila, 1946. The funeral procession of the late President Manuel Roxas enters Manila North Cemetery, 1948. Gasoline pipes leading into the storage tanks, Manila, 1947. During the ceremonies officially relinquishing the Signal Corps Training School to the Philippine Army, 1947. The west side of the American Embassy in Baguio City, 1947. A U.S. Army vessel at Pierside, Manila, 1946. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.